Hello guys, my name is Ritik Maheshwari and let's continue the series on pandas. In this video, we are going to discuss about how do we rename columns in pandas data frame. So till now, we saw introduction and installation of pandas. Also, we discuss about some basics of series and data frame. We saw some frequently used operation over series and data frame like log, ilog, shape, head and tail. And also we discussed about indexes, how do we can set, reset and use index in data frame. If you are not familiar with these topics, you can watch my previous videos of this series by clicking on the I button showing on the top right corner of your screen right now. Now what will you get from this video? So at the end of this video, you will be able to rename all the columns or specific column in data frame with just a few lines of the code. Yes, you want to write a lot of code for it, but just a few lines. So without wasting much time, let's jump over a implementation. So here I am going to work over a Jupyter Lab. If you're not familiar with the Jupyter Lab and you don't know how to install it in your system, you can watch my previous video where I discussed about the installation of the Jupyter Lab and also how can you use it in your system. And to watch that video, you can click on the I button showing on the top right corner of your screen right now. Now let's see how can we rename the columns inside the data frame. So here I have already created a dictionary named employee which contains the data related to the 8 employees. Now let's first cast this dictionary into the data frame. For this I need to import the pandas module and create a variable, suppose df and pd dot data frame, and pass the name of the dictionary inside the argument. Run this cell. Now let's see what does this df variable contains. So this df variable contains the data related to the 8 employees in the form of the rows and columns. And to see the type of this df variable, we can use the df function here and run the cell. So this df variable is a kind of the data frame object, and we already discussed about the data frame in our previous videos, so I hope you are familiar with it. And if still you have any confusion in it, you can watch my previous videos. I will provide the link in my description. Now let's talk about a column attribute. So column attribute is basically used to get the name of the columns inside the data frame. So here I have the columns names, id, names and email. Now it doesn't seems to be practical to use columns attribute here because here we have a small data set and have a limited number of columns. But when we work over a real data set, we have a n number of columns, then that kind of situation we can use the columns attribute to get all the attributes inside the data frame. Now let's talk about the renaming of all the columns inside the data frame. So to rename all the columns inside the data frame, we need to use again columns attribute and pass all the new names inside the list. Suppose I want to name this id to the employee id, so rename it to employee id, and I want to rename and email to employee email. Run this cell, and now let's see our df variable. So now all the columns name get changed inside the data frame, but this way is only useful when we need to change the names of all the columns inside the data frame. Now suppose I want this columns names in the uppercase, so for this I need to use columns attribute again, and then inside the list we need to pass x dot upper for x in df dot columns. Let's run this cell. Now let's see our data frame. So here I get all the columns name in the uppercase. If you are familiar with the Python, then you will easily understand this kind of the syntax. Now suppose I want to replace the underscore sign with the space in all the columns name. So for this I need to use the replace method of the string class, and we can use it as columns dot replace dot str dot replace, and I need to replace this underscore with space. Run this cell. So here the columns name got changed and the underscore sign is replaced by the space. Now let's see our data frame, but it doesn't make inside the data frame. To make the changes inside the data frame, we need to assign it to the df.columns. Okay, so now here we got our changes inside the data frame too. Now again I want this columns names to be in the lowercase, so for this I need to use the same method as we used above. So I will copy this and paste it here, and this upper will be replaced by lower. Run this, run this. So here we got our lowercase letters inside the columns name. And till now we only discussed about how can we update the names of all the columns inside the data frame, but what if I want to update the name of this specific column? So for this we need to use the rename method. So df.rename, and inside which I need to pass the argument columns because I need to update the names of the columns, and inside the dictionary we need to pass, I want to modify, update the name of the column employee ID to ID. Isn't it so simple? And let's run this. So here the here the employee ID got modified to ID. Now let's see our data frame. But it doesn't seems any changes inside our data frame. So to make the changes inside the data frame, we need to pass the in place equals to true as argument. Run this. Now let's run this. So now here we got changes inside our data frame. So that's it for now. In this video we discussed about how can we update the names of all the columns inside the data frame, or how can we update the name of this specific column inside the data frame. If you found this video informative and useful, do like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such kind of content, and stay tuned for more updates.